Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel, and we are going to explain you formula, quartile and quotient. This function, first formula is quartile. This function examine a group of value and then show the value which are of the upper limit of the first, second, third and fourth quarter of data. The quartile of 0 is actually lowest value which can be obtained using minimum formula function. The quartile of 4 is actually highest value which can be obtained using maximum function, maximum formula. I am repeating again, this function examine a group of value and shows the value which are of the upper limit of first, second, third, fourth quarter of the data. Formula details very simple. You just need to mention quartile, range to be examined, quartile value, bracket close, and you'll get your result for any different quarter of your data. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed. This formula works in every single version of Excel. Complete video details also available in description box, so you just need to copy and paste for your future reference, but for that you have to subscribe this channel. We have a separate videos in which we already explained quartile and quotient and other formulas with multiple and different kind of examples. So if you're facing any kind of difficulties, please check those videos as well. In Excel formula only in this channel we have a complete details for every single Excel formula, start from alphabet A till alphabet Z. We have a 200, 300, 400 videos related to only and only for Excel formula. So I would really appreciate, go ahead and subscribe this channel, because we are the one who provide this kind of information related to all Excel formula. I'm repeating again, all Excel formula is starting from alphabet A till alphabet Z. Now move into next formula, quotient formula. This function calculates the number of times a number can be divided by another number. It ignores any remainder, only showing the whole number. I'm repeating again, guys. This function calculates the number of times a number can be divided by another number. It ignores any remainder, only showing the whole number. Formula details, quotient, number to be divided, then comma, divisor, and you'll get your result. Is any formatting is required? No special formatting is needed, guys. I'm going to explain you again. This function calculates the number of times a number can be divided by another number. It ignores any remainder, only showing the whole number. If you're facing any kind of difficulties to understand this formula, I would really appreciate, go ahead and check our other videos in which we already explained this formula through multiple and different kind of examples. Otherwise, complete details also available in description box, so you can copy and paste for your future reference. But for that you have to subscribe this channel. Practice to make a man perfect, so please try to perform all this Excel formula in your Excel sheet, so that it will be very helpful to understand how this different kind of formula works in Excel file. Please make sure to share your comments, so that we'll try to improve ourselves for you guys. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day, have a great Excel future. Thank you so much.